Assalamu alaikum grade 5, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your schoolmates and teachers, but no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online class and videos. As you people know that we have proceeded towards our second term. Today the main agenda is like I'm going to teach you English grammar. The date today is 21st January 2021 and the day is Thursday. Okay class, today our topic of interest is adverbs. What are adverbs? When you see this title, what comes to your mind? What are adverbs? Okay, adverbs are the words that usually describe a verb, can sometimes describe other words, can tell us how, when and where the action has been taken place. For example, adverbs are the words actually that describe the verb. ठीक है ना, verb को describe करते हैं. जैसे कि she walks slowly. What is a verb here? Walks is a verb. So how did she walk? Slowly. So slowly will tell you how the work has been done. So adverbs are the words that describe the verb, that how the action has been taken place. Okay class, there are 4 types of adverbs. Fine. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of degree, adverb of time. ठीक है ना? What does adverb of manner tell us? How the action has been taken place. As if I gave you an example, she walks slowly. So how did she walk? Slowly. So slowly tells us that how the work has been done. Manner means how, ठीक है ना, how the work has taken place. Adverb of place. So what does adverb of place tell us? That at what place the action has been taken place. ठीक है ना. For example, you can say like that, I will wait you near the hospital. ठीक है ना. So near will tell you कि कहाँ पे काम हुआ. Wait कहाँ पर हो रहा है? Near the hospital. So near will be the adverb of place. ठीक है ना. Like adverb of degree, that tells us the quantity, ठीक है ना, of any verb. किसी भी चीज़ की intensity बताता है. For example, my mother loves me so much. ठीक है ना. So love is a verb here, and how much she loves you, so much will be the adverb of degree, because so much will tell you कि कितना ज़्यादा प्यार करती है. Tells the intensity of anything, any action. ठीक है. Adverb of time. So adverb of time tells us that at what time the action has been taken place. For example, if you say like that, I will reach there at 7 o'clock. So reach is a verb here. So कितने बजे? 7 बजे पहुँचेंगे. So 7 will be the adverb of time here. Got it? You can see even this chart. Adverb of manner tells how that action has been taken place. Adverb of time tells us at what time the action has been taken place. When, ठीक है ना. Adverb of place tells us that at what place, where the action has been taken place. ठीक है ना. Adverb of frequency tells us how often or how often the work has been taken place. कितना ज़्यादा उसका intensity है. ठीक है. Adverb of degree, it tells us to what extent, how much the work has been taken place. Fine. We have to focus on, in fact, 4 adverb of manner, time, place and adverb of degree. Okay class, today we are going to focus on adverbs of manners. What are adverb of manner? I told you even before, adverbs of manner tell us the manner in which something happens. ठीक है ना, कोई काम किस तरह से हुआ है. For example, I have brought some of the examples for you. He speaks fluently means fast. ठीक है ना, मतलब बहुत तेज़ी से बोलता है, बहुत अच्छा बोलता है. ठीक है. Speak is a verb here. How he speaks fluently. So fluently will be the adverb of manner. क्योंकि किस तरह से बोलता है, it is described here. Second one is they answered reluctantly. Reluctantly means बहुत ही abruptly answer करना, बहुत ही रूड होके आंसर करना, विदाउट एनी थिंकिंग. ठीक है ना. सो आंसर कैसे किया? रिलक्टेंटली किया, अब्रप्टली किया. सो रिलक्टेंटली विल बी द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. ओके. थर्ड वन इज द स्टोरी इज वेल स्क्रिप्टेड. स्क्रिप्टेड मीन्स रिटन. ठीक है ना. वेल स्क्रिप्टेड यानी कैसे लिखी हुई है स्टोरी, बहुत अच्छी लिखी हुई है. सो वेल विल टेल अस हाउ द स्टोरी इज बीइंग रिटन. There is a recognition of class adverb of manner that most of the adverb of manner they end in ly. ठीक है ना. ly पे end होते हैं. For example, sadly, happily, angrily, suddenly, quietly. ठीक है ना. And but there are some of the adverbs that do not end on ly. For example, fast, well, hard. These are some of the adverb of manner that do not end on ly. Okay class, I have brought some of the adverbs for you. You can adverb of manners for you. You can see here quickly, slowly, loudly, quietly, carefully, politely, calmly. ठीक है ना. For example, he ran quickly. कैसे भागा? तेज. The English teacher spoke slowly. Slow बोलती हैं. ठीक है ना. Okay, loudly. The audience laughed loudly. How did they laugh? Loudly. ठीक है. Please speak quietly when you are in the library. आहिस्ता बोलो. ठीक है ना. Speak is the verb and how you have to speak quietly. ठीक है। केयरफुली, कैली ड्राइव्स केयरफुली, कैसे ड्राइव करती है? केयरफुली ड्राइव करती है। पोलाइटली, द बॉय आस्क्ड पोलाइटली फॉर सम मोर कैंडी, कैंडी मीन्स टॉफ़ी और चॉकलेट, ठीक है ना। कैसे उसने मांगा टॉफ़ी को? पोलाइटली, ठीक है ना। कामली, प्लीज़ मूव कामली टूवर्ड्स द एग्जिट, एग्जिट मीन्स वो एरिया जहाँ से आप निकलते हैं, ठीक है ना। कामली यानी सुकून से जाओ एग्जिट एरिया की तरफ, ठीक है। दीज आर द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, दे टेल हाउ द एक्शन हैज़ बीन टेकन प्लेस। फाइन। Okay class, I have brought a very short activity for you guys. What you people have to do, there are number of there are some sentences and you have to find out is this an adverb or it's not an adverb, ठीक है ना। You don't have to attempt it in any piece of paper or in any of your notebook, you just have to attempt this activity orally. Fine. These are the sentences and the columns are there of yes and no. You have to write or you have to just tick mark in your, like you have to do it orally. Find it out and say whether it will come in the yes column or no column. Jack silently read a book at his desk. Silently is underlined here. Is it an adverb or not? So you have to, you know, do it into your mind. Yes or no की column में करना है. Helen kindly offered to help for her. Helen kindly offered to help her mom. So Helen, what is Helen? Helen is a proper noun. This is the name of a person. So it will come in yes column or no column. Is it an adverb? Third one is my teacher patiently waited for our class to finish our projects. Waited is marked. So what is a waited? Waited is as adverb or whatever it is. ठीक है, तो अगर adverb है so yes column में आना चाहिए, otherwise you have to tick mark in the no column. Fourth one is the bunny magically appeared out of the magician's hat. Magically is marked here. The dog playfully jumped around the backyard. Playfully is mentioned, ठीक है. Kira sleepily ate her breakfast before school. So what is marked here? It is not marked here. Okay, I'm telling you sleepily is the thing that you have to mark. You have to consider that this is marked here. ठीक है. David quickly finished his homework so he could go outside. Homework is mentioned here. My sister happily played outside at all afternoon. So happily is marked here. You have to find out whether they are adverbs or not. Fine. Okay, I guess class 5 your concept of adverbs must have been clear, especially adverb of manner. You people take a very good care of your health. Till then, Allah Hafiz from my side.